babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. In this video we're going to get into this ginger hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are working with WavyMy hair, so I want to give a big shout out to WavyMy hair for sponsoring today's video. So the specs on this hair, this is a 13x4 kinky curly ginger wig. She is 24 inches. You see the inches on her. She's
let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. If you got a big, let me search it. To find out how hard I gotta work, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. I like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put a hurtin' on ya like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. Your girl acting stank, then call me over. Not on the bed, lay me on your sofa. Call before you come, I need to shave my cha-cha. You do or you don't, or you will or won't cha. Go downtown and eat it like a vulture. See my hips, big hips, so cha. See my butts and my lips, don't cha. Lost a few pounds in my waist, oh yeah. This the kind of beat that go ba-ta-ta. Ba-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Sex me so good I say blah, blah, blah. Work it, I need a glass of water. Boy, oh boy, it's good to know ya. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. If you got a big, let me search it. To find out how hard I gotta work, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. If you're a fly gal, get your nails done. Get a pedicure, get your hair did. Boy, lift it up, let's make a toaster. Let's get drunk, this gon' bring us closer. Don't I look like a Holly Berry poster? See the Belvedere playing tricks on ya. Girlfriend wanna be like me, never. You won't find a chick that's even better. I make you hot as Las Vegas weather. Listen up close while I take it backwards. Oh, I begin to listen here with you. I'm not a prostitute, but I can give you what you want. I love your braids and your mouth full of phones. Love the way my butt boom, 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 boom. Keep your eyes on mama, boom, boom, boom. You think you can handle this, but don't. Take my thong off and my tail go boom. Cut the lights on so you see what I can do. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. If you got a big, let me search it. To find out how hard I gotta work, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. Boys, all type of boys. Black, white, Puerto Rican, Chinese boys. Wine, thang, 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 thang. Black, don't thang, 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 thang. Girls, get that cash. If it's 9 to 5 or shaking your ain't no shame, ladies, do your thing. Just make sure you ahead of the game. You know, Missy still super duper, but Prince couldn't get me, change my name, Papa. Kuta can't tell you slave again, no sign. Picture black saying, oh yes, I'm massa. Got a Lamborghini, so I drive faster, just to make your haters even freaking matter. Admit I'm the shit, name one the batter. When I drop this record here, you won't even matter. Why you act dumb like duh? Say you act dumb like duh. As the drummer boy go brr pum pum, give you some of this cinnamon. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. If you got a big, let me search it. To find out how hard I gotta work, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah. To the fellas, I like the way you work that. To my ladies, wow, you sure know how to work that.
life is good, but me and you, we a catastrophe. If I was unsuccessful, would you be satisfied? I need a paramedic, girl, I'm feeling paralyzed. If I can choose, you will always be a friend to me. The more money I made, you acting like my enemy. It's crazy, I need heaven if you're feeling change. Off the pressure would turn you into my diamond babe. I can something so familiar, be so strange. Closest friend, get it strange when your status change. It's by mistake, that where I am ain't where you at. My whole every life, the only one that had my back. We were the perfect pair, and now it seems that we don't match. Is it the money, want me to give it back?
Shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you alone. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama's basement to a condo downtown, cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication alight. You should have been here to kick it with.
I am loving this look, loving it, loving this. I didn't have to do a lot of work. The lace blends into the skin really well. This isn't even an HD lace, but whatever quality lace this is, I will link that down below. But I appreciate the fact that it melted really well. I wanted to do this style for a long time. I was inspired by this hairstyle that Nicki Minaj had. She had this bomb hairstyle very similar to this that Erica Tay did, and I really wanted to recreate that look for a while. So when I got this one, I was like, yeah, this is what we're gonna do. I have a discount code down in the description box where you can save up to 40% off your purchase. Definitely take advantage of that. Definitely check the links down in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this hair or any other hair from their website. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Back keep flowing, hit the gas keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.